In this video, I will show you how to see saved passwords in Firefox browser. So let's get started. First, open Firefox browser on your PC. Now click three horizontal lines located at the top right side. From the available options, click Settings. Next, click Privacy and Security in the left panel. On the right side, scroll down and under Passwords, you will find the button Saved Password. Just click on it. Here you will find the data related to website and associated saved username and passwords. You may edit the details or delete the data if needed. So that is how you can see saved passwords in Firefox browser. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.